وقت غروب الشمس واقف على البحر بعيد، عمال بحكيله واشكيله واشرح واعيد. فجأة لقيتها وكنت فاكرها عروسة البحر. موال ويا عيني يا سيدي على الأيام.
Oh, sorry guys. Marhaban. كيف حالك? But anyway, hello everybody. How's your day going? Today we'll be making my mom's special dish, an Egyptian Musacaa. Yay! Yeah, we'll be making a Musacaa, and just looking at these ingredients right here, yeah, this recipe is going to be super colorful. And also, I can't forget my lovely Coke, because the reason why I bought a Coke here is because I'm wearing a Coke t-shirt. If you can see, you know, the label. Yes.
So Coke, sponsor us!
Yeah. So let's get this bad boy started. Alright, first step guys, we're going to get your oil right here. And what you're gonna do is that you're gonna drizzle a bit of oil into this paper tray, and you're gonna need a paper tray, and it has to go above your tray, your oven tray.
What? Wait. What do you mean by that? What are you talking about? just drizzle a bit of oil. Make sure you just drizzle, okay? Not too much.
I know. One just came out.
Okay, that's enough. Stop that now.
And
then use the brush.
Yes. Next up, guys, you also need to get your brush here. And you're going to, you know, do what you usually do.
Just paint the tray.
Yes, like you're painting art.
Yeah. Let's see your art. Are you good at art?
Yeah, I'm good at art. I like art. Yeah, art is really fun.
Yeah, it is. It's true.
Okay, guys, next up, you're going to get a plate of eggplants right here, you see? And you're going to, like, chop it, like what I did here. And you're going to put it in the tray. Alright guys, now you put in your eggplants on the tray here. What you're going to do next is obviously get your brush here, and you're going to put oil on top of, you know, the eggplants. Or you might have to put on the brush so you might put. Just one more thing. Before I add my salt here on top of the eggplants, I'm going to drink my coffee. Alright guys, we're going to leave our eggplants in the oven for 10 minutes here, but after you know, half minutes here, like 5 minutes is over here, check on the eggplant here and make sure you like flip it over for it to be cooked. So yeah. Now it's in the oven, yeah, it's time to make our sauce right here. She's adding the oil and and make sure you, by the way guys, with the heat, yeah, make sure you put it on 9 right here.
Get that camera out my face, boy.
Whatever. Guys, now we added our oil here. I'm gonna let it heat up here until when it's heat up here, we're gonna add our onions right here, and it's purple.
Add them now.
Guys, it's time to season our salt.
What?
And we're gonna put it in there. There we go. Alright guys, now it's next up, you're gonna get your green pepper and your orange pepper, and you're going to add them. So I'm gonna start with the green one. And orange.
What did you think orange peppers were for?
I thought that they were like funny carrots. I thought that they were carrots. It's just that they had the same colour. So right now I've just given it a mix here. Next up we're going to add our black peppers. Oh. Guys, this is optional, obviously. We're going to be adding our green chili, but as you know, yeah, I'm a fan of green chili, but you don't need to add it, okay? So there you go, and we're gonna give it a mix.
That looks so colourful.
Now guys, it's time to add some cayenne pepper, which is probably a new thing in my channel. The newest pepper, by the way. See it.
Sprinkle a bit more. This one is.
This looks like chili.
Yeah, it kind of is. This one is up to your taste. Okay, look, you're putting all of it on the spoon. You're never getting it in the bowl.
I know.
Okay, move the spoon and let's get some in the bowl now.
By the way, just a quick warning guys, the spoon can get really hot, so that's why you need to be careful, because the heat is like, when you're making it, the heat will get too high. But make sure you be careful while you're mixing it, because it gets really hot. Guys, I'm just mixing the this recipe right here, the moussaka, while my sister just like, you know, flipped some over. So now I'm gonna mix it. Now guys, it's time to add some chickpeas.
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 Peas, not beans.
I keep on getting them wrong.
Yeah, you do.
There we go.
Okay. Now what are you gonna do?
Mix it, and look at how colourful this is. This looks like our pasta, like how it's really colourful.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Don't worry, it's gonna get a lot more colourful in the next step.
Yeah. Now guys, it's time to add some tomato sauce. And carefully when you're adding them. There we go. And mix them.
That looks nice, doesn't it?
Yeah, that looks colourful.
Put the gas up a little bit. No, you can't taste it like that.
I don't know why, I feel like this looks like the sour chips.
That's actually very true, you know. We could put some chips in there and call it a day, but
yeah.
But
we're
not
making this
making that.
for Mum, and she would be so happy with this.
Yeah, we're not making chips now. We're making
No.
the moussaka.
Musacaa, yeah. Now guys, it's time to cover this up, and another thing, make sure you leave the heat on medium heat, like I put it on 6.
And how long are they covering it for?
10 minutes.
A few moments later.
So guys, next step is empty 1/4 of the sauce here, right here, and put them in a bowl. Like this bowl right here that we use the tomato in. Now we're back to the eggplants. So for this step here, you're going to get 6 eggplants. So you're gonna get 6, and you're gonna put them in the curry. See?
In the pot?
Yes. So there you go. That's 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. No. 6.
Okay, so we're going. You've made a big pile of them. You need to spread it out. Okay?
Yeah.
Spread it out.
So guys, if it's too close together, you need to spread them out.
Yep. That's it. That should do the job. Well done.
Alright guys, now we're gonna get the other ones right here. So for the onions here, you're going to like sprinkle the onions on top.
Okay, get some more onions.
Yes, I'm gonna get a huge one. Next up, we're going to get a few jalapenos, and we're gonna put them in the pot. So yeah. I realized something about these ones. These look so similar. They're kind of used in Italy, like pizzas.
Yeah, you can put them on pizzas too.
Yeah, I like them.
They're quite chilly, you know that?
Yeah, it's like me because I like it. Comment down below about this recipe, the jalapeno, because I usually say it jalapeno here, but apparently other people say it called jalapeno. Yeah. So comment down below here how you say it. I say it jalapeno. Now it's time to sprinkle some cheese on top. Again, this is another recipe that's mostly famous in Italy. If I know that.
What, adding cheese?
Yeah, because when I looked at Italian recipes, yeah, I see cheese on top of them. And cheese seems to be famous in Italy. So it's interesting to see this moussaka having cheese on top, which is going to taste nice.
Yep, it is.
With all the spices. Now guys, remember this extra sauce that I left out? Now we're going to mix the next layer. So you're just like what you do, you get the other sauce and you're going to put it on top of the cheese.
Yeah, don't mix the pot anymore, okay? Just put this on top.
Yeah. By the way guys, make sure you don't mix it. Otherwise it's going to look so confusing, your recipe. Your moussaka.
Yeah, it will.
So it's important you keep it as the way it should be. Guys, I can't resist it. I just want to taste the sauce, so I'm going to taste it.
Yummy.
Nice!
Yeah. It tastes nice, doesn't it?
Yeah. Now guys, it's time to do the same. It's that you're going to get the rest of the eggplants and you're going to put it on top. This time we're going to add like, yeah.
Just finish them off.
Now guys, it's time to leave this moussaka for another 5 minutes on the medium gas. So it's time to have my break.
5 minutes later.
وقت غروب الشمس واقف على البحر بعيد عمال بحكيله واشكيله.
Oh my gosh, look at this guys. This is the most amazing Egyptian recipe I've ever made. Moussaka. So this recipe has vegetables and cheese. And my mom is going to be so proud of me making this traditional dish. And in fact, I'm actually going to call her over. Ummi, come and try your traditional Egyptian moussaka. My Ummi's right here now. Here you go.
So try it.
Yeah. Your traditional Egyptian moussaka. You excited?
This looks yummy.
Yeah. Obviously, since you love it.
Hang on, give me a knife, please.
Knife. If you can get it.
I can't eat with that one.
How are you getting that one?
Yeah, that's better.
There you go.
Have a bit of this.
It's very cheesy.
Yeah. It kind of looks like lasagna.
It's coming.
It kind of looks like lasagna, Ummi. Did you know
Yeah,
that?
it does, you know.
Yeah, because you know lasagna that has a lot of cheese.
That's very true. And shepherd's pie.
Yeah. Oh, that's shepherd's
bite.
pie. Shepherd's pie is so similar to lasagna.
Yummy, yummy, yummy.
Let's see your reaction. What do you give it? 10 out of 10?
Yummy.
Is it 10 out of 10?
Definitely 10 out of 10.
Yeah, you love it. You always love this moussaka.
Lovely.
Yeah.
Guys, you must try this.
Yeah.
This is so nice
And
healthy.
easy.
Going in for the second bite.
Yeah. Can I actually have this bowl?
Yeah, that's fine. That's fine because you're obsessed with having moussaka.
Okay, take it with you. That's
Well,
your
have
plate.
it.
Sorry, Ridwan, I'm going.
That's fine. I
That's
have my plate already.
that's Ummi's dinner.
Yes.
Bye bye, Ummi.
Bye, Ummi. Enjoy your Egyptian moussaka.
Ridwan, come take this.
Oh my god, look at this, guys. She's obviously obsessed with moussaka. Look at that. She just finished a plate in 1 second.
By the way, I have to say this. Your dad came and took it, and Hassim came and had some, so I'm having my second share, okay?
Yeah, obviously you're obsessed with it. Alright guys, you just saw my mom here, and as you know, yeah, she loved it. So what she's giving you an opinion on the moussaka is that it's really tasty. I recommend you eat it. It's really soft and healthy because we added vegetables and obviously that's healthy. So yeah, and I recommend you make it. It's also really easy to make. So yeah. Alright guys, it's the end of the video. So guys, make sure you comment down below here about what do you call it, jalapeno or jalapeno. I call it jalapeno. And make sure you also comment down about do you like this recipe, because I would like to hear your thoughts. Anyway, this is the end of the video. So if you enjoyed this video, yeah, smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell to be notified for more future videos. Anyway, bye and assalamu alaikum.
وقت غروب الشمس واقف على البحر بعيد عمال بحكي.
You know what I mean?